Welcome to this beautiful home. Come along as we take a walk through every room and show you what makes this space so special. Let's start in the kitchen. You'll notice the elegant gray shaker-style cabinetry paired with stunning marble countertops and a matching backsplash. The stainless steel gas range sits beneath a sleek vent hood, and under cabinet lighting adds a warm glow to the workspace. Over on the island, a crystal pendant light hangs overhead, making this the perfect spot for morning coffee or casual meals. Moving on to the primary suite, the bathroom features a gorgeous glass enclosed shower with marble surfaces throughout. Just beyond, the bedroom offers a beautifully made bed with crisp white linens and a dark tufted bench at its foot. Large multi-pane windows fill the room with natural light and offer views of the greenery outside. Next, we have a cozy sitting area. A plush leather armchair sits in the corner with a cream throw blanket draped over it, paired with a sleek adjustable floor lamp. A striking black and white abstract artwork anchors the wall, and plantation shutters give you full control over the light. Finally, step outside to the patio. Comfortable wicker seating with white and pink pillows makes this the ideal outdoor retreat. Slide the glass doors open and you're connected to the dining room, complete with a wooden table, upholstered chairs, and a chandelier overhead. Beyond that, a hallway leads to a bright window with a view of trees and open fields. Thanks for touring this home with us. If you'd like to see more or schedule a visit, reach out anytime. I'm Chrissy Hagan from Columbus, Ohio.